Oh, go on. There. Yeah. Bored out of my mind right, you know. You know what I mean? One this one. Yeah, I have some work to do, but let me give a shout out online. Wagwan everybody. Long time I never do a personally more wagwan to anybody, isn't it? So we're there, right, you know. And soon start do back the live them and shit. You know, I try organize some stuff. You know, I go through already with the video I try put out, so I try kind of solidify that right, and then is it blue sky as one. Yeah. Later.